Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the Western Digital My Passport for Mac. This is a portable storage drive from the Western Digital lineup. The drive comes in 4 different capacities, 1, 2, 3 and 4 terabyte. I've decided to go with the 1 terabyte as my reason for purchase was just to use it with the Time Machine on the Mac. In terms of size, in millimeters, the drive measures around 110 by 15 by 81 and it weighs around 160 grams. So it's very small, it easily fits in the palm of a hand. This drive is pre-formatted for the Mac operating system but can be reformatted for Windows if required. The drive comes with a 3-year worldwide limited warranty. So having a look inside the box now, we've got the USB cable. This drive is USB 2 and 3 compatible. And the drive does not need separate power, it is powered via that cord. There's also some pamphlets and information from WD, and there's the drive itself, so you can see it's quite small, it's nicely wrapped, it's got protective plastic on both sides. So one of the good features about this drive is that it lets you set up a password to protect your data with 256-bit hardware encryption to just add that extra layer of protection for your private file. And you can install the WD drive utilities, which lets you run some diagnostics on the drive, erase it, reformat it. Also allows you to turn the LED light on the front on or off. And just in terms of connecting, you can see there that the cable just goes into the drive and the other end goes straight into the USB port on your laptop or your Mac. So that's all from me about the drive. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to see more content from me. Thanks for watching.